Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making my favorite detoxifying recipe. Super easy, super simple. I really recommend you do this whatever the weather is. This is perfect to help cleanse the body. So first of all, I'm going to use some wilted parsley. You can use fresh parsley. This is what I have on hand at the moment, and I don't want to use this to make any sort of salad or any tabbouleh. In this case, I'm going to use it to make this lovely drink that you can see here. I'm going to use some parsley, and I'm going to use a slice or two of ginger, as well as 2 slices of lemon. You can use as much ginger, as much lemon as you want. So I'm going to mix it with water, filtered water, until we have a juice like consistency, as you can see here. Mix it really well, and then after that I'm going to strain it using a actual strainer and a mesh cloth. You can use whatever thing you have. This is optional. You don't need to strain it, but for the flavor purposes, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to double strain this. And then we have the drink ready to go. Then I'm going to add some unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother, in this juice, and this is going to help to boost and maximize the detoxifying effects of this drink. So I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar, and then I'm going to portion this into 2 portions, or 2 types. The first type, I'm going to store this in a glass container, airtight glass container preferably if you have, and the second portion I'm going to freeze it in silicone molds. You can use an ice tray or whatever you have on hand. So then in the morning, on an empty stomach, you're going to take 1 or 2 pieces of the frozen individual portions and place it in a glass. You can add hot water or cold water to it and just drink it on an empty stomach. And you're going to do that again if you want to maximize it even more, about half an hour to an hour before bed. So preferably in the morning on an empty stomach, I'm going to pop in 1 or 2 pieces on a glass. In the summer, I'll add water, cold water, and in the winter, I'm going to add in hot water whenever the weather starts to get a little bit cold. That way, you have a batch worth of this lovely drink. And for the ones that I'm going to store in the glass container in the fridge, I have 5 days to use this, a maximum of 5 days it can be stored in the fridge. And I'm going to do the same in the morning. I'm going to take about half a cup of the juice, drink it on an empty stomach, and I'm going to do the same for the next 30 days. And you will notice the difference in your digestive system, in your skin. It'll be more glowing, and in your overall body. Beautiful detoxifying effects. Use as much ginger or as much lemon as you feel comfortable. And if you enjoyed today's video, like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.